Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a new feature on Messenger, Notes. If you've been wondering how to access this feature, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check if the Notes feature is available on your other Facebook accounts. Log into your alternate accounts and see if you can find the Notes option. If it's not there, let's move on to the next step. Exit Messenger and head over to your App Store. If you're on iOS, that's the App Store, and for Android users, it's the Google Play Store. Ensure that you have the latest version of Messenger installed. If you see an update button, hit that to ensure you have the newest features. If the Notes feature still eludes you, it's time to troubleshoot. For iOS users, open your device settings, navigate to General, and select iPhone storage. Find Messenger, and if necessary, clear the app cache and other data like downloads. If the problem persists, consider deleting and reinstalling the app. Now, iPhone users, click on the Offload App button. This will clear unnecessary data and cache, potentially resolving any issues preventing you from seeing the Notes feature. After that, hit Reinstall to get a fresh version of Messenger. If, after all these steps, you still don't see Notes, don't worry. Facebook often rolls out features at different times for different regions. So, be patient. Keep updating your Messenger app through the App Store or Google Play Store regularly. In a few days or weeks, you should have access to the Notes feature. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to get the new Notes feature in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.